Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an ultimate organization of my living room and the toy mess that I have. There's also a little bit of a grocery haul in there, just a little bit of a refill. So if you need all the toy organization before these warm summer months come up and get your inside under control, then just stay tuned because I've got you covered. All right, so we're just gonna hop right into it. My living room was such a mess. I am in kind of this in-between stage for renovations, and we're completely tearing down this green shiplap again. We sold our media center because it was just temporary anyways, but then we had an even more temporary solution with these like plastic stairway bins. I love them, but I don't love them to be on display in my living room. So I had a complete mental breakdown with the toy mess and all of these bins that I decided I was gonna run out to Menards and try to find something that was a little bit more sustainable as far as like keeping the mess like contained, because every day I am battling this toy mess and it was not working for me. And I will tell you what, ever since putting this system into place, my living room has stayed so much more clean. I went to Menards and I got this white finish like cubby set. It's the same that you can get from Target, but actually at Menards it was quite a bit cheaper. I got it for $30. And all in all, with all of the baskets that I got, I spent $150 and that was it. And I am so happy with the results of this. And like I said, my living room has already been transformed. So while I'm putting this together, I am talking to my sister on the phone. I talk to my sister on the phone every single day. And in a lot of my videos, you'll see me talking to her. But I am just putting this thing together super inefficiently. And my brain was not working. Like I said, this was all because of a mental breakdown I had because of the toy mess. So this took me a lot longer because I was lazy. I didn't go get a hammer. I only had this screwdriver. So I'm like hammering in the pegs with a screwdriver. I am the ultimate DIYer right here. So I put this thing together in about a half hour, even though I was talking to my sister at the same time and I didn't have all the tools I needed. I figured it out. And then I put the baskets in. Again, everything was from Menards. It was $150, much cheaper than getting everything from Target. I will try and leave everything linked down below for you that I used. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy me putting this shelf together super inefficiently. I'm an expert furniture builder. Can you believe that my husband and I actually own a furniture building business? Because you wouldn't guess it from this video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the look I was originally going for in the corners, like on either side of the media wall, is I wanted to do built-ins, which is still our plan, but I'm going to use this as kind of a base now. So we're going to build a cabinet around this so that we don't have to build the cubby portion of it. And I wanted a boho type of vibe to it. So these will have cabinet doors over them. Eventually, I was going to pick up another one of these for the other side of the media wall, but the other side is like 1.5 inches too short. So they're not even on both sides. So that's where I'm struggling now, is I'm like, okay, well, cubbies on one side and then we'll just do regular cabinets on the other. And I would have waited for my husband to just do the built-ins all together, like at the same time, and not have to worry about putting cubbies here for the meantime. But my husband is so busy with our M&M Rustic orders that he never has time to build us anything. So I had to come up with something to get rid of the Stairlight bin mess in the meantime. And like I said, it worked out perfectly because now we're just going to build a cabinet essentially around this and put doors on it, and everything is going to work out just the same in the end. It's going to look beautiful, and I've been wanting to do, like I said, a boho type of vibe here in the living room, and we have lots of plans for this space. We will be putting in our fireplace this summer and redoing that shiplap on the main wall that I did, but it looks so janky. It definitely needs to be redone, and we are choosing a different color for this wall. I really loved it in the beginning, but I'm starting to find that it is more so like a seasonal type of color, and I was just really liking it for the fall and winter. So we're probably gonna go with something that's more charcoal based that matches the rest of our stuff, and then I'll add in pops of green and color with decor that I can switch out easier instead of having it be a permanent, or not permanent, but you know, having a paint color on the wall. It's hard to change that. It's harder to change a paint color than it is to change out your decor pieces. So that is my plan, is once these are completely built in, and once we have the cabinet doors built in around these, it'll be beautiful. I cannot wait to see the end result. For now, I just need to be patient, and I'm really loving the way that this turned out. I think that it hides the mess in a really nice, beautiful way. I had so much stuff. The kids had so much stuff. Now the basket on the top that I used for the diapers, and actually I stuck our Nintendo Switch stuff in there as well. I had that already. It just happened to match the basket, which was perfect. So I used that basket on top for the diapers, wipes, and the Nintendo Switch stuff. We are going to be potty training Ryker pretty soon, so the diapers are kind of on their last stretch, and the basket will just be for Nintendo Switch stuff, so like all of our games and attachments and remotes and things like that. So you'll see me kind of reorganize this space a couple of times. Ultimately decided to put my snake plant there, and I bought a picture from Target for like $40, and it fits perfectly. I plan to wire in a light to go above the picture as well, and then the other side will have shelves. So one side will be a picture with a light, and the other side will be shelving. So in this portion of the video, I did a grocery haul. This was our weekly snack refill. I got lots of fruits, and I did have to fill up on some breakfast items as well. I've been finding that having quick and easy breakfast items for the kids before we head out to preschool is seriously like a huge lifesaver, and the kids will share these breakfast bowls. They'll split them in half. They're so good. I've tried them before. I really like the Jimmy Dean ones more, but these ones were the only ones that were in stock, and they were pretty decent, and for the price, I was very happy with them. I did fill up on some regular sparkling ice and sparkling ice with caffeine. I like to sip on those throughout the week when I'm having lunch. Those are some of the things that I refilled on. Like I said, lots of fruits and vegetables for the kids, breakfast items, and then I got like bacon bits, and I like the Green Harvest, they're like those cracker peas, you know what I'm talking about? Leave it in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. And then I picked up some kale because I was gonna be making some Tuscan soup and kale smoothies in the next week. And I also got the kids a treat. I got them some Ritz crackers and some Oreo thins and some muffins for the morning. So that was just a standard like grocery refill. I want to say this was right around like $75, but it was a quick and easy grocery haul. To wrap it up from me for today's video, I hope you enjoyed this organize my toys with me, getting ready for all of the summer activities and keeping the toys off the floor. So I will see you guys in a couple of days for another really fun video and getting ready for summer. Okay, bye guys.